Hi, my darlings, welcome back to my channel. So, have you noticed that every day there is new skincare products on the market? Our cream promises glowing skin in 3 days. Another serum claim it can erase acne overnight. And suddenly, everybody is a new skincare expert online. But the real question is, do all these products actually work? That's what you ask yourself. Or are some of them just skincare hype? So in today's video, we are going to talk about different skincare products currently flooding the market, what they do, who actually needs them, and the dangerous mistake people make when buying skincare products because of social media trends. So if you've ever confused about serums, toner, acid, cleanser, or any fancy skincare name, this video is for you. So why the skincare market is booming? Let's be honest, the skincare industry has exploded. Everybody wants clear skin, everybody wants glowy skin. The social media has made skincare look like a lifestyle. Now we have Korean skincare, we have organic skincare, we have medical skincare, we have luxury skincare, we have whitening products, we have acne treatments, we have anti-aging products, we have skin barrier repair products. The market is now filled with thousands of options. And why that sound good, it also creates confusion, right? Because many people are buying products even without understanding their skin type first. I actually made a video on skin type. Maybe go through my videos, you'll see them. I actually made a video on my channel. So, some people may have oily skin, some people have dry skin, some people have sensitive skin, some people have acne prone skin. So, yes, people still copy random skincare routine online and expect the same result, which is not possible. So now we're talking about cleansers. Let's start with cleansers. No cleansers is one of the most important skincare products in the market right now. The cleanser helps you remove dirt, helps you remove oil, sweat, makeup, bacteria, and here is a mistake many people make. They use harsh cleansers that damage their skin barrier. If your cleanser leaves your face feeling extremely tight or dry after washing, that is not always a good sign. The good cleanser should clean your skin without stripping it completely. So right now in the market we have gel cleansers, we have foamy cleansers, we have foam cleansers, we have hydrating cleansers, we have treatment cleansers, and not everybody needs the same cleanser. All right. So let's talk about the most trending products, serums. Now let's talk about serums. Serums are probably the most hype skincare products in the market because everybody is talking about them. We have vitamin C serum, we have niacinamide serum, hyaluronic acid serum, we have retinol serum, we have salicylic acid serum. So, but many people are mixing too many active serums and other serums. So many people are mixing too many active serums together and damaging their skin. For example, when someone is using retinol and strong acid carelessly, can actually irritate your skin badly. All right. So let's quickly break some of them down. Vitamin C helps to brighten your skin and reduce dullness. Niacinamide helps to control your oil and improve skin texture. Hyaluronic acid helps to hydrate your skin. Retinol is mainly used for acne. It's an anti-aging ingredient, but also you have to use it carefully, right? We have salicylic acid. It's popular for oily and acne-prone skin. Now, here is the truth nobody tells you. You do not need every serum trending online. Sometimes simple skincare works better than complicated 10-step routine. All right. So now let's move to moisturizers and skin barrier damage. One skincare product people underestimate is moisturizer. Some people think moisturizer are only for dry skin. This is negative, false. Even oily skin need moisture. So a damaged skin barrier can lead to redness, can lead to irritation, burning, breakouts. And honestly, Many people damage their skin because they over exfoliate and they skip moisturizer. So the market currently has gel moisturizer, ceramide moisturizer, lightweight moisturizers, heavy creams, barrier repair creams, and recently skincare repair products have become really popular because most people are expecting damaged skin from overusing active ingredients. So now let's talk about sunscreen, the product people still ignore. Skincare products many people still ignore is this sunscreen. I don't know why they always push on sunscreen and people still ignore them. You can buy expensive serum, you can buy luxury skincare, but if you skip sunscreen consistently, you may not get the results you want. Now, let me shock you. Exposure contributes to hyperpigmentation. It contributes to premature aging. It contributes to dark spots, uneven skin tone, and in hot climates especially, sunscreen is extremely important. Now, the market has we have mineral sunscreen, we have chemical sunscreen, we have tinted sunscreen, we have matte sunscreen. We even have the one they will just write SPF moisturizer with sunscreen. But people still avoid sunscreen because they think it causes them to sweat. It's chemical sunscreen. It leaves white cast. Yeah, some people are really avoiding chemical sunscreen. But no, mineral sunscreen actually. Even down, we are even seeing chemical sunscreen leaving white cast. I don't know. People are now we are confused right now in the skincare industry. So mineral sunscreen leave white cast. Chemical sunscreen now is not leaving white cast. I just don't know. Or they only need or maybe some people they have the mentality that they only need the sunscreen when they're going to the beach. Meanwhile, daily protection matters. All right. You have to start using the sunscreen and reapply every 2 hours. So now the dangerous side of skincare markets. Let's discuss the dangerous side of skincare products currently in the market. Some products contains harmful ingredients, while some are fake products, some are unregistered products, some promise unrealistic results like get vital skin in 2 days. Sadly, some many people damage their skin trying to chase perfection, and not every glowing skin online is real. We have filter, we have editing, we have good lightning. Although this healthy skin should always be the goal, not just perfect skin. So this is what I always push. Healthy skin is the goal, not just the perfect skin. So before buying any skincare product because it's trending online, ask yourself, does my skin actually need this? It should be about understanding your skin, taking care of it properly. Because honestly, consistency matters more than buying expensive products. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe because we're getting close to 1,000 subscribers, and your support honestly means a lot. And tell me in the comment section what skincare product do you think is the most overhyped right now. Thank you for watching, and remember, healthy skin takes patience and consistency, not pressure.